Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane. Really want to thank everyone who has taken the time to subscribe to the channel. We are right at 100 subscribers. Really appreciate it, guys. Never really thought this channel would grow as fast as it has been. It's all on account of you guys. Really appreciate it. Let's get the word out, guys. The best way to financial security is through investing in assets. That's for me, dividend and growth stocks, and then eventually live off that passive income in our retirement years, or use that income to buy other assets such as land, gold and silver if that's your thing. I do own some gold and silver myself. Always want to have something back for a rainy day. But guys, in my opinion, guys and gals, in my opinion, placing your money in beyond what you need for an emergency fund is into a savings account, in my opinion, is just you're losing money. If average inflation is 2 to 3%, if you're not getting 2 or 3% interest on your money in a savings account, you are losing money. And in this day and age, right now anyway, inflation is over 8%. So if you're not getting at least an 8% return, you are losing money to inflation. The stock market, in my opinion, is the best way to do that. Real estate is another way. I don't cover real estate on this channel, but it is another one. Guys, these are supposed to be quick hitters, so I'm going to get right into the video. We're going to take a look at Leggett Platt's May the 3rd. The market was pretty green today. The Fed raised rates by 0.5% basis points. So that was expected, and it definitely received a positive response from the market. A lot of red, guys. Could be what they call a dead cat bounce or a bear market bounce. I still believe we're in a bear market. We still have a long way to go, in my opinion, but today was a positive green day from what I could see. Leggett Platt was one that I saw pulled back. For those who don't know anything about Leggett Platt, Leggett Platt's been around for over 130 years with an inventive heritage that spans more than 130 years. Leggett Platt enhances people's lives worldwide by designing and manufacturing innovative, distinctive products and components for use in bedding, automotive, and more. They do flooring, they do bedding, as it says, they do upholstery, chairs, products like that for your home, basically home products. And if you want to know more about Leggett Platt, check them out at leggett.com, Leggett.com. That's their homepage. You can read more about them. Let's take a look at their performance. Leggett Platt is a consumer discretionary product or stock. It is ticker LEG at the close of business on May the 3rd, $38.13. 52-week range, a low of $33.80, a high of $59.16. So right at the low, guys, even lower. I don't know why the 52-week range didn't adjust to show this 38.13, because that is the new low. That's what it should be. A market cap of 5.09 billion. So is a small, on the smaller side, small cap. Has a beta of 1.44. It is more volatile than the overall market. Does have a PE of 12.97. Anything under 15, in my opinion, is pretty good. Starting to look good. You should compare stocks to their competitors in their marketplace. For dividend of $1.68 for the year, divide that by 4. It pays out quarterly, so that'll tell you what your dividend yield is. It does have a nice dividend yield of 4.38%. Real nice dividend yield, actually. Ex-dividend date was March 14th, the last one. So if you bought it now, you would receive the next dividend date. You won't receive, sorry about that, it's my work phone. You won't receive the next dividend, but the following one you will. And Yahoo Finance, where I pull this information from, has a $45.25 1-year estimated target, so it does speak to some price appreciation. As you can see here, it was down significantly. This is probably early in the day before the Fed's meeting, and then you can see everything rallied after the Fed's meeting, even this one being down, and still ended the day down. So big rally. May see some pullbacks after that rally. No guarantees in the stock market. You never know. Could rally through the rest of this week and into next week before we see any more pullbacks. Who knows? Let's take a look at what some other analysts say. Again, this is Leggett Platt. According to the 8 stock analysts who have taken a look at this over the next 12 months, they call it a buy, not a strong buy, but just a buy, just above hold. This would be hold, and this would be sell. They have a low target of $38.38. That's actually, it's below their low target right now. They have an average target of $45.65. That would be a 19.72% appreciation from where it currently sits. And if it was to happen to hit the high, $57.75, that would be a 51.46% appreciation in stock price from where it sits. Guys, these guys have been around for over 100 years. They've made it through recessions, through wars. pay a nice dividend. One consumer discretionary, in my opinion, right now is one to seek value in. You are seeing a lot of stocks down. Whirlpool, Leggett Platt. I own a significant portion of this, so full disclosure, I own well over 100 shares of Leggett Platt, and will be adding if it remains down in these dilapidated prices. I am adding to some other positions right now, but I built this one out quite a bit, so I'm comfortable with where it sits. This information was brought to you by stockanalysis.com, not affiliated, just where I like to post some information. Obviously, they have some additional information if you want to check out this stock or other stocks. They do overview, financials, statistics on the company, what the dividends payout history is, what they pay out, some other information, some nice charts to look at if you want to check out stockanalysis.com. Nice platform that I like to use. And with that said, as always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit the thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what you think about Leggett & Platt. I do personally read and respond to the comments, and I'm always interested to read your questions, opinions, or suggestions for future topics, videos to cover, what stocks to cover. Anything you guys want me to cover, let me know. I'll do some videos for you on those topics. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by, and special thanks, really guys, really appreciate those who have taken the time to subscribe to the channel. Greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select the criteria or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.